Govinda Mera Naam talks about Govinda Wagmare, who has a wife, Gauri, and he also has a girlfriend, Suku, who is enacted by Kiara Advani. And what exactly happens is that she just fakes to get murdered, the wife, since Gauri, and she does it because Wagmare was in love with Kiara, but Kiara was cheating upon him. She had a con man with whom she had decided to befriend Govinda, and later on get rich by getting all his property, and just to fake love for him. And he actually believed her. He thought that Suku's love is genuine. But later on, once he caught them red-handed, Suku Kaira having a conversation with the maid of the house, and the maid was also involved in all this, Manju. Yeah, so he also chalked out a plan. He got with his wife Gauri, and then they thought of this plan that she will get murdered and the blame will go on her, and the body was actually buried, and later on they took out the body, and the entire money also, she was bereft of the money, and she ultimately ended up in jail, Suku. And then Wagmare re-emerged, and then he told the entire story, what he had seen, and etc. etc. So the movie is very interesting, especially few of the songs. One of the songs especially with Suku and Wagmare, and the movie has a fast pace, so you will enjoy it, and it will keep you on your toes, because you never know what's going to happen next. Not like an English movie, but yeah, it's entertaining. And then they finally land up in Thailand, where the wife Gauri and Wagmare and Renuka Sane, who was the mother-in-law, who had enacted the role like a handicapped woman on the wheelchair, and one or two more of their group, they re-emerged, and these three were totally despondent. Suku and his counterpart and one more lady, they were given some drink which made them kind of unconscious, and the movie ends on the beach. So it's an entertaining one. Bottom line, when you act smart with others, you never know that the other party may turn out to be more smarter, as it shows in this movie. 4 stars.